Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I got this problem. My mechanical keyboard doesn't work properly. Whenever I press W A key in my keyboard, I got a little bit laggy because the keys are not working. I mean, when I playing the game, I try to move, I can't move. That's the reason. I see lots of solution on the internet and I got the solution. I brought this 99.9% pure alcohol on Amazon for 200 rupees. And I have this pen to open this keyboard cap. Just opening all the keyboard caps, the problematic keyboard caps. After opening all the keyboard caps that the keys are having problem, just unplug the keyboard. I am using the Bluetooth keyboard, so I just turning off, completely turned off the keyboard. I just have the spoon, ice cream spoon. Using that, I pour the alcohol. In my hand, I have the half a spoon of alcohol, and now I just pouring directly to the key stalks. Just as you can see, 1 to 2 drops, just pouring in, and using my hand, I just tapping after pouring it to clean the dust inside if anything is there. And now I'm recapping all the keys just by tapping little bit more. Don't forget to plug the keyboard back on. And then I tried and my keys works good. And only one key got some little bit not working properly. And I just turned off the recording and again poured some little bit 1 drop or 2 drop of alcohol in it in the key stocks. And then I just walking like that. In the video, as you can see, I'm playing PUBG PC and the keys are working so good, guys. This is the solution I seen on YouTube, and that's actually works. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.